So this is going to be a really quick video on how to make the blonde henna. First step, which I already did, was you need to make the chamomile tea. I think it's chamomile and marigold, something like that. So they give you the tea. After the tea is made, the next step is to put the henna in a bowl. Then the next step after that is going to be to put lemon in the henna. And then finally, the last step is to pour the tea, which is already cooled down, into the henna. And then you're going to mix it until it sort of is a yogurt texture. Then the final step is you let this sit for, I think it's 8 to 12 hours. And then you put it on your head, and then you put saran wrap over it, and then let that sit on your head for at least a few hours, at least an hour, maybe 3 to 4 hours. And then rinse it out. And that's how you do the blonde henna. I let it sit overnight for like 12 hours, and it's in my hair now. I'll let it sit in my hair for about an hour or two, and we'll see how it turns out. It feels pretty good to have it on there, actually. It's a very like conditioning, planty sort of smell. Time to take this off.
Well, it has been 3 days since I put the henna in my hair. This is the result. Does it look blonder? I think it does.